Rasmussen knows nursing, and the first step in charting your future in the field is joining us at a nursing information session.
And we just go over all the program details, so breaking down classes, costs, credit transfer, clinicals, scheduling, hours and expectations, different financial aid options, and then discussing the enrollment process and qualifying. Info sessions are held, during daytime hours, so it's a great opportunity for prospective nursing students to actually see our current nursing students.
I think a nursing information session is great because you actually can come to the campus. You can see what the classrooms look like. They tour through the sim lab, like days when I'm running sim, they say, hey, can we come walk through your sim lab? And so they get to see what it looks like. They get to look behind the scenes and see this is where the teacher sits.
There's a chance that it'll be in one of our labs. And then what we do is if there aren't classes going on in our sim labs, we do try to get the tour of that so that prospective nursing students can actually see the sims.
It's a safe learning environment in that it's okay to make mistakes. We're students, we're learning. Nobody ever said nursing school would be easy, but it's always worth it at the end. That being able to be a nurse, function as a nurse, it's just such a fun career.
We just assure our students that we do have steps in place. We have internal discounts, so corporate partner discount, military discount, and then we have a change of life scholarship. So if a student refers somebody else, that new student whose life is being changed by going to school, maybe for the first time, can receive a scholarship.
I think people realize that it's the career to be in. It's the career, it's a great career to be in, and I think that's what drives people to go back.
Just keeping in mind that there's a variety of programs here. There's no one set path that is right. It's just students need to figure out which is going to be the best path for them.
Take the next step and join us at a nursing information session, regularly offered at many Rasmussen campuses.